Oh, it's not. What's going on? Oh my goodness.
What's happened there? They faked
what's
it.
happened? The door, they cut it off.
Yeah. But still, it's supposed to go over the lintel, isn't it? Oh
yeah.
no, what's happened is, yeah, when they fitted the door, they cut this out.
So, they fitted door, and they've cut that off.
Yeah.
So, water's getting in down here. What a set of numpties. It's good for your stomach muscles, this one. You don't need gut, Jim. Just do this.
Which is really good, strong stuff. Dead tacky. About £4 a tube. In the middle reservoir, out of the door.
No.
Edge?
On the edge. Stuff. And it's more than £4, Stu.
Is it?
Yeah. Probably at least £8 to £9, but it's well worth it.
I know, then.
Well worth it.
What?
Got to put on back edge as well or not? Better say.
Alright, we've got everything sorted now. So we've got our lintel here. Okay, we've got our cavity tray. And that, we've lapped the old one. This is the old one. Our new one's lapped underneath it. Okay, and we've got our corners folded up to put our wheat vents here. We've stuck it on with aqua seal underneath here as well. But we are ready to put the bricks in now. Just get our line set up.
You always dreamed of making it big.
Big one there, and I'll put one in the middle.
In your town, people had a certain walk and a certain frown. All younger than 20. Some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late. We'll teach you to blush and how to get your way. Useful tricks. Once you get the taste of it, you lay all them bricks higher and higher. They reach your desire. Put some color on those cheekbones. For you to get well known. When they do, they'll cherish you. Yes, when they do, they'll cherish you. When they do, they'll cherish you.
Learn, don't you? Every day's a school day, especially in Brick Lane. Yeah. Every single day is a school day. Obviously. It's hard. What's it? It really is hard.
Looking good from here, aren't they?
Looking good from... Are they looking good when you turn round?
Yeah. When you shut your eyes.
Pointing like that, yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
That's it.
see if I can get in with his hands in his pockets. What do you reckon?
Keeping myself warm, man. While you're doing a bit. Change.
You're alright. KC supervisor, king boss,
Yeah, and
site
I'm
agent.
up now, all the mess.
Yeah, that's it. Finishing touches.
Yeah, so come on, let's get on with it.
What do you reckon about that then, Dad? Boss man?
I think it's absolutely fantastic, actually. Don't get much better, to be fair.